All right, so should you customize your vehicle? There's a couple answers to this. Yes, because you love it and it's yours, you can recognize it, that's all great and all. But if you want some resale value, probably not. So let's check out this 4Runner. I'll show you what's going on with it. It's going to go through the auction and I'll let you know what it goes for. So as you can see, we got this sweet custom camo stickers all over it. Rack up there. It's got brand new tires, but it is, I don't know, it didn't go through and sell last time at the auction. I don't know if it's gonna again. Maybe people are thinking it's just too much work to remove those stickers, or they don't like it or whatever, but I'll show you what it goes for in the auction. Kind of give you an idea if that's worth doing, because in my opinion, if you're planning on getting rid of it, it's probably not worth doing. This only has 20,000 miles on it, so they didn't have it very long. It's a 2021, but definitely cool for some people, but it's an eyesore for others. So if you're looking for resale value, you need to make sure you're getting something that is neutral, not offensive. I'll go through and I'll kind of show you some of these other ones we found in some other videos. All right, so these next couple will not sell. Every time I go to the auction, weeks and weeks, these are still there. So some of these are from repo video we did a little bit back that I keep seeing, but they just will not sell. So some of these customized things, they're not going anywhere. Another little beauty here. Someone's done some wonderful custom work, just adding tremendous amounts of value to this. Even come around here, we've got some pinstriping or some mounted lights, some rubber. Just really, this thing is screaming, take me for a journey. Check out the custom paint job on this one. Just made to blend in with the ducks. Beautiful. Solid pink truck. Get any better than that? See a few of those in this auction. Must be some business trucks they're turning in. So the pink business trucks, there was a few of those in the auction. That one that I showed you did not run, but still they're just not selling. The ones that were painted bright pink just went for almost nothing. We're talking about a running, driving truck for like 800 bucks. So that bright pink makes a big difference, something painted like that. Here's another example of customization. Hey, it looks cool, but hey, that's not everybody's cup of tea, and they're going to have to do a lot of work to take that off. So that's something that people just may not buy it just because they see that. So if you customize, make sure it's just for you and you're not worried about the resale value. Did I mention how bad it looks when it's dirty? Man, really bad. All right, so not all customizations are bad. Some of those are just nasty, right? But there's some things you can do to your vehicle that is going to add some value, and people are going to want it because of it. They'll pay more because of it. Leveling kits, nice tires, nice rims, nothing crazy on the paint, but just things that make the vehicle look good. And that's what this next 4Runner I'm going to show you had. It sold the very next week. Just no waiting, immediately it was sold. So it looked good, people liked it. Let's check that out. You've got this option here, just in case you're planning on going in some deep water. We got the snorkel effect on here, keep your luggage dry up on top. Pretty cool. I'm not a huge fan of the green color, but man, that really reminds you of vehicles from Australia. I was down there for a couple years, and that's what I saw a lot of, is snorkels. The 4Runner did not sell again. It has been over a month. I have been tracking this thing. It just will not sell. They won't drop it down low enough to make it so people will buy it, to, you know, take in consideration of removing the stickers and everything else, I guess. I'm not sure why. Most of the 4Runners, they move right through, but that one, it just will not sell. So I do not have a number for you on it. It's going to be right around, you know, upper 20,000 range kind of thing. So maybe it'll be over 30, but I'm assuming it's going to get right around 30-ish before it's actually going to move. So I'll still keep my eye on it. Maybe I'll get an update on it there for you. So in the past, when I've sold vehicles, things that I've done, so I definitely 100% believe in a leveling kit on a truck or an SUV because it gets rid of that stink bug appearance just enough. Slightly bigger tires, nicer rims, those things just make the vehicles look so much better. So here's some pictures of what we've done on some. Leveling kit takes it from, you know, maybe a 5 or 6 out of 10 almost to a 7 or 8. So still not a perfect truck on some of these, but as soon as we put that leveling kit and the tires on it, they just immediately would sell. So something I've done in the past, it's not that much money to do, but it sure adds a lot of value in appearance. So people shop with their eyes, not necessarily with common sense, but if it looks good and it's pleasing to the eye, they're going to investigate further. Thank you for watching. Only customize if you want to keep it forever. But anyway, thank you guys. Appreciate you.